Matzo Brei is Yiddish for fried matzah, and it's a simple dish made with matzah and eggs. And today, Keith's going to show us how to make it.
Yeah, this is a simple dish, and it kind of goes like this. You break matzah into pieces, you soak it with a little liquid, you scramble it with some eggs, and then you fry it in fat. It's a really comforting scrambled egg dish.
I love it.
It's quite simple, but you can also make it complex depending on how you want to top it. And it also varies from family to family, so everybody makes it a little different. In fact, this recipe was developed by Mario Levine, one of our colleagues. So I'm going to start in a 10-inch skillet. I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of chicken schmaltz.
Yes!
Or chicken fat.
Yes, I love it.
So I'm going to heat this over medium heat. So the schmaltz is melted. I'm just going to add 2/3 of a cup of chopped onion here, some salt, just an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. So I'm just going to stir this in. Oh, you can smell that schmaltz already. All that chicken fat goodness. Okay, so we're just going to let that bubble away and cook. And what we're looking for is the onions to soften and get a little bit of color on it. It takes 6 to 8 minutes. While that happens, we'll work on our egg. So I have 3 whole eggs here, and we're going to use 3 whole eggs to 2 matzah sheets. We like that ratio the best. But again, it changes from family to family what that ratio is.
I'm impressed with your one-handed egg cracking ability.
Crack a lot of eggs in my life.
Oh, I like it. Whenever I do that, I have 50% chance to break the yolk. Ooh, you're 3 for 3.
Ooh, 3 for 3. Just going to mix these up, break up the yolks a little bit. And I'm also going to add salt and pepper to this. 1/8 teaspoon of table salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper.
These onions are smelling magnificent. I mean, you can put anything with schmaltz and onions, and it's going to taste awesome.
Those are our eggs, 3 eggs. And now for the matzah. I have 2 sheets of unsalted matzah here. This is pretty traditional. It's unsalted, so it's going to be pretty bland. So I'm just going to break these into, well, 1.5-inch pieces. You don't have to be super precise here. Now, a lot of recipes will soak the matzah ahead of time before adding it to the eggs. And you notice I'm going right into the eggs. So you can use dairy, you can use water for this, but we actually like something a little firmer. We're going to actually soak the matzah in the egg itself. It's going to create something a little drier, a little firmer, but we really like that. So these matzah sheets are about 2 ounces, but they're all pretty much the same size, so you can use what you have. Okay, now that those are all broken, I can ask you for that spatula. Thank you. And I'm just going to toss these. Make sure that they're well coated. We're going to leave these in here for about 2 to 4 minutes, and all we want to do is have those matzah sheets soften slightly. We don't want them to be really, really mushy. We still want them to have some texture, so we'll let these go for 2 to 4 minutes. Our onions will continue to cook, and then we'll come back and cook this.
Sounds good.
Hey there, fellow fans of cooking. Want to stay in the know?
Visit americastestkitchen.com and sign up for our free Notes from the Test Kitchen email newsletter.
Get exclusive tips, seasonal recipes, product reviews, and more delivered straight to your inbox.
Sign up for free at americastestkitchen.com.
Our onions are softened, and now we can cook this. So I will just give this one last toss, and I can actually feel that the matzah are pliable, but not so overly soggy. I can sense that they're softened.
Yeah, they bend a little, but they're not mushed out.
That's right. So now I'll just scrape this in here. Make sure I get all of that eggy goodness in there. And I'm just going to cook this just for a couple minutes. Really quite simple. I'll just take that and get underneath and kind of use a folding motion here. Oh, it smells great. You can smell those caramelized onions. A little bit of color is really wonderful. Now, I like this dish a little on the softer side. You can go a little longer if you want to, but I like to keep the eggs a little soft here. So I am going to call that done.
Nice.
Perfect. Just want to make sure that this is seasoned properly. Salt. Definitely some salt.
Well, there's no salt in the matzah, so that makes sense.
Right. Just stir that salt in there. Okay, now we are ready to go. So this serves 2, so I'm just going to scrape this out onto plates. So,
Boy, that looks good.
Yeah, it does look great, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You can eat it just like it is right now. It's wonderful, but people top this all sorts of ways. We have a couple recipes online. One has smoked salmon, one has mushrooms. We also have a sweet one, which has cinnamon and sugar, which is my favorite.
Oh, is it?
It is. So today we're going to use some chives, just a little bit.
Nice.
I'm going to add a little sour cream to mine too. The matzo have just enough texture. They're present.
You can still pick up a whole piece of matzo with your fork. Oh, that's delicious.
Also, the ratio of egg is nice to the matzo. I mean, the matzo is still present. It's not like scrambled eggs with a little bit of matzo in it. They're really kind of a nice level playing field.
This is delicious, Keith. Thank you.
I'm glad you liked it.
For a good and schmaltzy matzo brei, start by browning some onions in a non-stick skillet with schmaltz. Use 3 eggs to 2 sheets of matzah, and let the matzah soak in the eggs for 2 to 4 minutes before cooking. From America's Test Kitchen, a terrific recipe for matzo brei. You can get this recipe and all the recipes from this season, along with select episodes and our product reviews on our website, americastestkitchen.com/TV. I could see smoked salmon or lox being good on this too.
Wonderful.
We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, head over to americastestkitchen.com and get a free all-access trial membership.
While you're there, you can sign up for our free email newsletters and download our app.
With unlimited access to over 14,000 of our Test Kitchen recipes and 8,000 product reviews, you'll have everything you need to cook and learn.
So I ask, what are you waiting for?
Let's make something great together.